Not as fast, huh?
No, not as fast. She was a little bit more ferocious last time. Oh, checking it all out one at a time.
Two hands. Why? This is full.
Oh.
Wait, what's this one?
My goodness. You're gonna leave 4? How come those 4 get to stay in the bowl?
Oh, in case any trick-or-treaters come.
Oh, never mind. Good job. Can you put them back in the bowl now? Oh, good. Let's put them all in the bowl. Oh, we're going to tip the bowl upside down. But the trick-or-treaters need them in the bowl. Are you just going to open up and tell them, come in?